if you're one of those people who have multiple Gmail accounts and you are wondering how can you switch an account within the Google Chrome, then you have hit the right video, because in this short and quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do that. So step 1, open the Google Chrome, then go to these 3 vertical dots, then click on to the settings. Here you will see the account with which you are logged into your Google Chrome. Now if I click over here, I can see all the accounts that are already there logged into my mobile, but it is not possible to simply click here and switch to some other account, because it takes me to the mobile phone settings and it does not switch the account to another account. So the catch here is that you need to first sign out from your current account and then you can log into the other accounts. So in order to sign out, you need to click this bottom sign out option, click on to the continue, you will log off, and now you can see that currently I am not logged into any of my account. You just need to click turn on sync. Here it will ask you to select the account, and from here I can select any account. After selecting that, you need to click this yes I am in, and then you are now logged into your next account. And this is how you can switch or change your account in Google Chrome app on your mobile. Thanks for watching.